In logic, a proposition is a sentence that is either true or false, but never both. So it must express a complete thought. Let's see some examples. 2 is an even number. So this is a sentence that's a proposition because it is true, right? So it can be evaluated to true. The sky is green. Well, this is clearly false. So also we can reason about it and say that it is false and not true. So both are propositions. Now, x is greater than 2. Is this false or is this true? Well, it depends, right? X is a variable, so this is not a proposition until we know what x is. Until x is unknown, this is not a proposition. So, not every sentence is a proposition. For example, questions. What time is it? Is this true? Is this false? Well, it doesn't even make sense to ask if it's true or false. So it is not a proposition. Commands. So go over there. Same thing. It doesn't make sense to reason about it in terms of truthness or falseness. So it is not true. It is not false. It is not a proposition. It's just a sentence. Only declarative statements that are true or false can be considered propositions. So as a final thought, what is propositional logic? Well, propositional logic is the branch of logic that studies how we can combine propositions using words like and, or not. And then we have, for instance, proposition P and proposition Q. This combination through logical connectives can also be evaluated to true or false. And propositional logic is the branch of logic that studies this kind of proposition combination.